Today we are going to clean and condition the seats in my 97 Miata using a Lexol all leather cleaner and all leather conditioner. Thanks, buddy. All right, so you start off, you take this. Directions say you apply it to a sponge or microfiber, and for a deep clean you want to massage it into the leather. So we'll start off by adding a little bit onto here. You just take it. Says you just want to wipe down the whole surface. Don't be afraid to use a lot. Ooh. So with this step, you're looking to remove dirt and contaminants from the leather before you go back and condition it. You just want to make sure you get most of everything. The glare bad?
Yeah, I don't like the bottle.
Ooh, get all the seed, even though we don't see the back of it. Still keeps it in good shape. This thing has pockets on it. I didn't know the back of the seat had a pocket on it.
Yeah, I seen that the other day.
It's crazy. What? You can talk, my guy. You act like I'm a popular YouTuber. I'm just an average kid in the garage.
I don't think the average kid is in the garage.
Okay.
No
Average
smoke.
kid that lives with their grandparents in the garage. Did Mufasa just bark? I thought I heard it just bark. Anyways, now that we got this whole seat cleaned off and wiped down, double check. We'll give that a minute to dry. We're gonna go over and clean this other side. We'll get back to you once we get to the conditioning step for this seat. Step 2, we got the all leather conditioner. Same thing as last time. Put it on the pad, rub it into the seat. Stuff's a little bit thicker.
So let's use a different sponge though?
Yeah, I got a different sponge. The kit that I bought came with 2 sponges. It had like a circular sponge, so I chose to do it because it had a handle. Because I know this stuff's decently greasy. And instructions say rub in until it's consistent everywhere on the seat. As you can see, these seats weren't taken the best care of through the previous owners, whether it was the last guy or the guy before him. Ooh, squirted everywhere. You just want to get through. Make sure you get all of it. If you have a brand new car, doing this will make it be better. Prolong the life of the leather. Oh, if you guys haven't seen the last video, I hooked up my energy steering wheel that my brother got me for Christmas for this car. It'll be in my my channel page. Just go to my channel, click that bitch, and you got yourself a good video to watch. That you'll learn how to install the energy steering wheel. It's pretty simple, just a bunch of bolts.
Make sure to
What? Guys, we had a very laughable moment there. That's why it just cut right here. We got the seat all wiped down with the conditioner. Instructions say to leave it for a few minutes, and then any excess that hasn't soaked into the seats, you just take a microfiber towel and you wipe it off. I'm gonna get this passenger seat done. The lighting over there is not very well. That's why you guys aren't seeing that today. Okay, guys, so we got the seats done. They're fully clean and conditioned. They're still a little hard. It seems like the guy who had this previous, or like I've told you guys, didn't take the best care of these seats. we're gonna try a couple times within the next month or so to clean and condition them, just to try to soften the leather back up. It may not even be possible to, but we're gonna try. They're old seats, so I'm sure that couldn't be too expensive to replace them if need be. But just wanted to thank you guys for coming to my YouTube, watching my videos. Please have a good night or day, whatever time you're watching this. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.